Here we will be reviewing the Debt Snowball Method tab. The Debt Snowball strategy is a debt payment method where you pay off your debts starting with the smallest balance and working your way up to the largest balance. In this tab, you can track up to 20 different debts. At the top, you'll see your current debt balance, your total monthly payments, how much of that payment goes towards interest, and your estimated payoff date based on the information you enter. Here is the debt balance overview, and next to it are the corresponding graphs that break down each debt. Let's go ahead and enter a few examples. First, we'll set our starting month. In this case, we'll enter a date from a few months back to demonstrate how the tracker functions. Let's add an entry called credit card. We'll enter the balance of $1,500, a minimum payment of $40, and an interest rate of 14%. Notice how the table below automatically populates. Your accrued interest is calculated, and your payoff date is determined. Next, let's add a student loan. Enter a balance of $30,000, a minimum payment of $400, and an interest rate of 7%. Notice how, once the credit card is paid off, the debt payment automatically gets applied to the student loan, creating the snowball effect. Now let's return to the debt balance overview table and enter our additional monthly payment. This amount is above your minimum payments. We'll set our extra monthly payment at $250. Observe how the payoff dates adjust. If you need to modify this amount, use the debt repayment summary table. For instance, if in February you have $450 available for your extra monthly payment instead of the planned $250, you would enter $200 in the correction field, indicating that you are ahead by $200. Continue using this tool to tackle your debts. In March, if you only have $50 instead of the planned $250, type negative $200 in the correction field to show that you are short. The fields will adjust accordingly. This concludes the Debt Snowball Method tab review. Here we will be reviewing the Debt Avalanche Method tab. This tab functions in the same way as the Debt Snowball Method tab, but the strategy differs. Here we will be reviewing the Debt Avalanche Method tab. The Debt Avalanche strategy is a method where you focus on paying off your debts based on the interest rate, starting with the highest rate and working your way down to the lowest. This approach allows you to minimize the total interest paid over time, helping you to get out of debt more efficiently. This tab functions the same way as the Debt Snowball Method tab, with the key difference being that you enter your debts in order of interest rate, from the highest to the lowest. Everything else, including tracking up to 20 different debts, monitoring your current balance, total monthly payments, and payoff dates, works exactly the same way. This concludes the Debt Avalanche Method tab review. If you have any questions, please send us a message. Enjoy managing your finances.